This video is all about showing you the Power XL Air Fryer Grill.
Welcome back to Teach 'em in the Fish channel. Today's video, we've got a Christmas present. A Power XL Grill Air Fryer. First thing we're gonna cook, I love my fried chicken wings. We'll see whether or not they can compete with my recipe. We'll also be doing a roasted chicken with a new tool that we're gonna be trying out that we just ordered. So it's a whole bunch of new happening in this video. Let's go ahead and get started. My family knows that I love sharing my kitchen gadgets with you. And my beautiful mother-in-law got this for me for Christmas.
Sorry about the dinging text there. Sometimes you can't catch it all and edit it out. The struggle is real. This is a mail order air fryer. Multiple functions that come with it, all kinds of features, good packaging, good instructions. I will say that the recipe book that comes with it is pretty lacking, but there's all kinds of options out there on YouTube regarding air frying, as well as we'll be doing our own videos in the future. This air fryer is going to have an uphill battle because I do absolutely love my oil fried wings. They get rave reviews from everyone who eats them. And I like to start with fresh. You can see here what I'm showing you is you cut at those seams. Chicken at the joints tell you exactly where they want to be cut and they come apart. I even save the little bits, the little wing tips that come out. They're a nice little crunchy piece at the end. I don't think you can beat fresh versus frozen. You might pay a little bit of extra for it, but it's worth it. I did tell you the recipe book is a little bit lacking, but it in fact does have how to make the hot wings in it, and it's a pretty interesting process. I understand why they did it, how they did it. Straight out of the package, it's easy to use. The materials are intuitive. Really don't have to read the instructions very much. Although, when you get into actually controlling the time and temperature, it does take a little bit of reading, selecting which mode you want. Hit the temperature button, adjust to that, then select the time. After you've established all that, you click the start button, and to steal it from one of my other kitchen devices, set it and forget it.
So I've used plenty of kitchen equipment and tools, and you will not believe how quiet this is. Listen to the sound of it. You almost have to get right up on the back side of it here to hear anything.
The sauce that I use in this is a very low sugar variant, which you'll see later helps, I think, in this air fry. But all it really is Frank's Red Hot and butter at a ratio of 2/3 Frank's, 1/3 butter. And there's a little trick about cooling off the butter before you put it in. If you're interested in that recipe, I can do another video on that one. Well, these wings have been in for the first go-round, that 25 minutes at 425, and you can see they already look beautiful, but of course there's no sauce on it. So what the directions ask is that you put the sauce on at this point, and we do a toss in the bowl, then throw them back in for another set time limit, and it will set that sauce on the exterior. Too easy, right? Just wait till you see how they come out. We do a whole spatchcocked chicken in the next part of this video, but I'm impressed with how the crispiness, how the exterior came out, and even how the sauce set. I was not expecting that at all. There's not a whole lot of sugar in the sauce that I use with the Frank's Red Hot and butter, but it came out like a caramelization as well as crispiness. Very good exterior. We also grow habaneros in our garden, and we like to take things up a notch with some of our dried habanero flakes. Something else I wanted to show you, that it comes with suction cup feet that keep it from slipping and sliding around on the counter while you're working with it.
Now just remember, this is only part one of this video. We're gonna go over and do a roasted chicken for the second part of this, but let's go ahead and do a taste test on these wings. So first one, we're not gonna add any additional sauce on it. We're gonna go straight from this. Oh, that's hot. It's different. What I can taste in the difference is it's much lighter To be expected, it doesn't have the same degree of grease that you would, or fat or frying oil that you would have in it. It's lighter, but it concentrated that sauce really nicely. Now I'm gonna go ahead and dip in some more raw sauce. Now, this is the way I would normally eat it, slathered in sauce. I don't know if you can hear that crunch. That is delicious. That's where it's at. You'll like these little crispy bits here on the end pieces. Listen to this.
Cleanup is really easy too. I know I'm normally a cast iron user, but this nonstick, it just wipes right off. Okay, if you've held on with me this far, just hang on a little bit longer. We tried to do a whole chicken inside the cooking zone, but when we closed the lid, it actually touched the top of the chicken. So we decided to go ahead and, easy solution, do a spatchcock, and I'll show you real quick how to spatchcock that chicken. And it won't touch the lid and get that all over the top. If you don't have poultry shears or meat cutting shears, I'll put a link down below where you can purchase those through Amazon. But really, it's simple. You're flattening this chicken out. It cooks better, cooks more evenly. You cut out the backbone, then kind of press those ribs flat, and it fits perfectly in this fryer at that point. We use Cavender's Greek seasoning on almost all of our chicken. Phenomenal spices. I'll put a link down below to purchase that as well. Really good stuff. When you're going over to the bake setting, you can see that it said add food there. You have to do a preheat to get it going up to temperature, and then you can start your timer cook. Just wait until you hear the crispiness when this meat thermometer punctures the skin. If you don't have one of these ThermoPro pens, get yourself one. They're really nice to use.
So YouTube says that this video is perfect for your viewing habits. This is my latest upload, and over here is a playlist you should enjoy. I hope you liked it. If you did, please click like, subscribe, share, and come on back for more.